Foshan Sanfeng Cell Phone Accessories Company Limited, with a beautiful garden factory building, was established in 2014 and located in Nanhai District, Foshan Near Guangzhou. We are a professional mobile phone case factory with our own strong mold production line. Our company occupies an area of 12,000 square meters and has about 350 workers, 25 sales representatives, 35 mold engineers, 20 QC staffs, 75 large plastic mold injection equipments, 15 CNC machine, and 6 milling machine. Our main products are acrylic TPU clear case, dual-layered ring holder case, TPU PC 360 full cover phone case, slim rugged dual-layer case, full body protection case for Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, Motorola, Oppo, OnePlus. Since 2014, we have established a complete and sophisticated product quality control system, aiming to provide each consumer with high-quality, trendy, and cool digital products for your life. Our advantages are factory price direct selling, professional high-efficiency sales team, one-stop mass production, making mold by ourselves, strong private mold customization ability and comprehensive supporting service, complete phone models update fast and accept OEM, ODM, OBM orders. Since 2015, we have participated in Global Source's mobile electronics exhibitions hosted in Hong Kong every year and USA CES exhibition. Welcome to visit our factory. We sincerely hope to establish mutually beneficial, long-term business relationships and work together to create a bright future with you.